Unlock a seamless, collaborative music production workflow by mastering Dropbox for your audio projects. First, let's get your core files organized. Download and install the Dropbox desktop app from their website. Once installed, you'll see a Dropbox folder appear in your File Explorer. This is your digital vault. Inside your Dropbox folder, create dedicated subfolders for your music. Think logically: projects for active DAW sessions, samples for your sound libraries, masters for finished tracks, and clients if you work with others. This organization is key. Dropbox excels at handling large audio files, a producer's daily reality. Simply drag and drop your project files, stems, or high-resolution audio exports directly into the relevant Dropbox subfolders. Dropbox will automatically sync these files to the cloud. Collaboration is where Dropbox truly shines. To share a project with another artist, right-click on the folder in your File Explorer and select Share. You can invite collaborators via email, giving them view or edit access. They'll see your files synced instantly in their own Dropbox. For sending finished tracks or specific stems to clients or mastering engineers, use the Get Link option. You can create a shareable link for specific files or folders. Customize permissions, like setting an expiry date or requiring a password for extra security. Leveraging Dropbox consistently automates backups and ensures you always have access to your latest work from any device. This cloud-based approach streamlines your entire music production lifecycle, from initial idea to final distribution.